Important notice: please read the printed manual and the safety instructions before operating the EDMON. This video is a quick installation guide only. Setup and starting up. Before operating the EDMON, connect the power supply to the socket on the back of the EDMON and lock it. Connect the operating gas line to the connector on the back of the EDMON. It should be fastened finger tight. Make sure that a pressure regulator has been installed to the synthetic air supply and connect the operating gas line. Open the valve to a pressure level between 1.5 and 2 bar. Switch on the mains power supply at the back of the EDMON. The status LED will light up yellow. Now, the booting phase is initialized. A self-test is performed and the heat-up phase starts. This process takes 30 minutes at the most. After the self-test has been performed successfully and the operating conditions are reached, the status LED turns green, and the green arrow pointing at the Start button indicates the EDMON is ready for operation. Now, the unit can be brought into the operating theater. Check if the status LED is green. Check the adequate gas cylinder level. Make sure that ventilator filters have been connected directly to the inspiration and expiration tube, but not directly to the T-piece. Connect the sampling tube to the connector on the front of the EDMON. Fasten it finger tight only. Connect the other end of the tube to the T-piece at the endotracheal tube of the patient. Press the Start button briefly, and the EDMON will start monitoring the propofol concentration in the exhaled breathing air continuously. You can read the exact propofol concentration in 1-minute steps, from the initiation of the narcosis through the course of the narcosis and the wake-up phase. Press the Start/Stop button again to stop the monitoring. The sampling tube is now disconnected, the port is sealed, and the housing is disinfected. Please note, the used sampling tube and the T-piece have to be disposed of after each patient.